Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Ledger Nano X. First, unbox your new device and confirm all items are included, such as the USB-C cable and recovery sheets. Next, connect the Ledger Nano X to your computer using the provided cable. Power on the device and choose the Setup as New Device option directly on its screen. This initial step is crucial for a secure and smooth experience. Now let's secure your device. You'll need to set a PIN code, which should be between 4 and 8 digits long. Remember this PIN, as it's essential for daily access. The next critical step is writing down your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key, so keep it extremely safe and private. Finally, the device will prompt you to confirm your recovery phrase by re-entering several words, ensuring you've recorded it accurately. With your device secured, it's time to get Ledger Live. Download and install the official Ledger Live application from the Ledger website onto your computer or smartphone. Once installed, open Ledger Live and follow the simple on-screen prompts to connect and pair your Ledger Nano X. After pairing, you can easily install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need directly onto your device, allowing you to manage your assets. You're almost ready to manage your crypto. Within Ledger Live, you can now create accounts for all the cryptocurrencies you wish to hold. To receive funds, simply generate a unique receiving address for the specific asset. When sending crypto, always double-check the recipient's address carefully before confirming the transaction on your Ledger Nano X. This ensures your assets go to the correct destination, providing peace of mind with every transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.